Vaibhav Balvyas. Again, I welcome to you all the students in my online classes. Today, I take online classes for class 4 and subject is EVS chapter 2. Chapter name is Year to Year and this is the first part of this chapter that I discuss you. First of all, I want to know from all the students that which sense organ helps you to identify the sound? Give answer. Any students? Which sense organ helps you to identify any types of sound that you hear? Ear. Correct. Ear helps you to identify any types of sound. What is ear? Ear helps you to identify any types of sound. Nice. Very nice, students. Next, as you know that students, ear is important for all human beings. Ear is important for all human beings like I and you, etc. Yes or no? Yes, very nice. So what I say, ear is important for all human beings. But you know, ear is also important for animal also. Ear is important for animal also, not for human beings. Listen here what I say, student. I say that ear is important for human beings and animals also. Understand? Suppose a deer is moving in the jungle. A deer is moving in the jungle or forest. And a tiger wants to attack the deer. How deer save her from the attack of child? How deer save her? Do you know how deer save her? Deer save her by the hearing of the sound of tiger. By hearing the sound of tiger. But how they hear the sound of tiger? How deer means heron, how deer hear the sound of tiger? Do you know? By the help of ear. That I discuss you, that ear helps you to identify the any types of sound. So with the help of ear means kan, deer save her from the attack of tiger. So we say that ear is important for animal also, not for human beings. Understand from the example that I given you? Very nice. Now comes to the next topic, that animals have different types of ear. Yes or no? Animals have different types of ears. I give you example. You see the ear of elephant? Yes or no? Yes. Elephant have which type of ear? Elephant have which type of ears? Students, elephant have fan type of ear. Fan means pankha. Elephant have fan types of ears. Elephant have fan types of ears. Another example I give you, giraffe. Giraffe have which type of ear? Giraffe have leaves type of ears. Giraffe have leaves type of ears. Understand? Animals have different types of ears. Now comes to the another topic. I think that many students see the animals of the ears and many students do not see the animals of the ears. Yes or no? Yes. But you do not think that the animals or the birds or the insect do not ears. No, it is wrong. In this, you just listen what I say. Animals, birds and insect all have ears. But you see the ears of the some animals and some of the not. I give you the names that you see the ears of which animals or you do not see the ears of which. Number 1, cow. Number 2, buffalo. Number 3, deer. Number 4, tiger, giraffe, elephant. These type of animals have ears and you see. Yes or no, students? Yes. You have seen the ears of these animals? Yes or no? Yes. I think all the students have seen the ears of these animals. And those ears you do not see, but they have ears. I give you the names also. Duck, fish, lizard, ant, snake, crow. They all have ears, but you do not see. And you do not think that they do not have ears. They also have ears, but you do not see. Because they have ears on the both side of the head. And the birds of the feathers. and the feathers of the bird, and the feathers of the birds are covered the ears of the bird. So they do not see the, so you do not see the ear of the bird, but they have ears. Understand, student, what I say? Birds have also have ears, but you do not see. Why you do not see the ears of the bird? Because the feathers of the bird cover the ears of the bird, and the ear are very tiny, and they are on the top side of the head. So you do not see the ear of the bird. So you think that, oh, birds do not have ears like pigeon, crow. No, that is wrong. Birds have also ears, but that you have to do not see the ears. Understand what I say? All animals, all birds and all insects have ears. Understand? So we said that ear is important for animal also, not for human beings. Understand? Ear is important for animals and human beings also. But in this chapter, we have to learn about the ears of animals. So I discuss you about the ear of animals. How ear helps the animals. What are the different types of ears have animals have. Animals that have ears, animals that have not ears, but animals that you don't see the ears. But all the animals and birds have the ears. Understand? Just keep in mind. All the birds, insect, animals have ears. All the birds, insect, animals. No one that have the ears. All have the ears. Understand? And write down your homework. Your homework is to revise the different types of ears of the different animals, and also the animals have ears you have to learn, and the animals that do not have ears you have not seen, you have to also learn it. And in next class I discuss you one by one to all the students. Thanks to all students